All right, we have self-serve gas stations, self-checkout at the supermarket. We've become a society that wants convenience so much that we rely on these self-serve type industries. David Oyadomari from the Bank of Hawaii actually coming in to tell us a little bit about more self-serve type banking, David?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for coming in, first of all.
Thanks.
Okay,
Good to be here.
So because, I mean, it's one of those things, we work 2-3 jobs sometimes to try to make ends meet.
Yep.
Anybody have time to actually go into a bank nowadays?
You know, it's getting, people are getting busier and busier, I think, every year. You know, I think whether it's aging parents or kids are taken care of, you know, people are so swamped that to go to a traditional branch, traditional banking hours becomes tougher and tougher. So absolutely, I think businesses like banks are looking for ways to give people an opportunity to do what they want to do when they want to do it.
So while someone's over there checking his email, going on Facebook, doing Twitter, might also be doing some banking?
Oh yeah, yeah. So people right now today, they can pay their bills at 2 a.m. They can actually transfer funds. They can look at their bank accounts. They can look at, did their paycheck come in yet? Did that check that they paid their credit card bill with clear? They can do all of that at any time of day, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Okay, so we know the demand for it is there. How's the technology keeping up? Is it still safe?
It's still safe. It's something we got to keep one step ahead of the fraudsters, obviously. So it's something we are very vigilant about, take very seriously. But you know, in terms of the functionality, every year we're developing new functionality to make it easier for people to get online and feel safe and feel like they can get things done when they want to get it done.
So it's one thing for people to be at home and doing it on the laptop, but what about the mobile stuff? What
right.
about your iPhone?
Exactly. So that's taking off. That's skyrocketing. So people are doing a lot of things over their mobile device now. A lot of it because on your laptop or your computer, it takes a while to boot it up when you turn it on, but your phone, it's always on. From your phone, you can do pretty much everything you do from your computer. You could actually transfer funds, pay bills. You could actually check your account. You can do it if you don't have a smartphone like an iPhone. You can do it on a phone that does texting. So you can text and say, what's my balance? Or transfer this funds. You can just look at it in real time. Yeah. It's actually the quickest way.
You know, and I hate to go back to it and be redundant, but
sure.
I mean, again, the big question I think a lot of people are wondering is that safe?
Yeah, yeah. So it's something that I think for consumers, what we tell people is it starts with you. You got to be educated. You got to make sure you have protection at home. On your devices, you have firewalls. That's the key, you know, and be educated, know what's going on there. The institutions like the banks are pouring a lot of resources to make sure it's secure, but you know, you're only as weak as the weakest link in the chain.
Yeah. David Oyadomari, thank you very much for coming in. We appreciate it. By the way, Bank of Hawaii is going to have a number of seminars about this throughout the year. It's a very important topic, and you can find all the information about this interview online, hawaiinewsnow.com. You guys stick around for more. You're watching Sunrise on Hawaii News Now.